Welcome to aminacademy.com. In binomial theorem, let us discuss about number of terms and middle term of expansion of x plus a power n. Here, the number of terms in the expansion of x plus a power n is n plus 1, which means the power index is some number that number of terms will be one more than that. If n equal to 8, the number of terms will be the number of terms will be 9. And the middle term will be only one, will be only one term, that is n by 2 plus 1, which is 8 by 2 plus 1. 8 by 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. Therefore, fifth term is middle term. Suppose if n equal to 9, that is odd number, therefore the number of terms equal 10, and there will be two middle terms. There will be two middle terms, which are fifth and sixth term. Generally, you can say, hence, if n is even, only one middle term will be there, that is n plus 1 and n by 2 plus 1 on the term. If n is odd, there will be two middle terms. Suppose if n is even, there will be only one middle term, that is n by 2 plus 1. The term is the middle term. If n is odd, there will be two middle terms are there. First is n plus 1 by 2th term. Next is n plus 3 by 2th term. There are two middle terms are there. Now let us do an example. Find the middle term of the expansion of 3x Find the middle term of the expansion of 3x minus x cube over 9 power 7. Here n equal to 7, which is odd. Therefore, 7 plus 1 by 2th term and 7 plus 1 by 2 plus 1th term. There are two middle terms are there. First, here 7 plus 1 is 8 by 2 is 4th term, that is T4, which is we can write as T3 plus 1 equal 7C3 of the first term is 3x power 7 minus 3, means 7CR x into 7 minus r into the second term is of the expansion is minus x cube by 9 power 3. So after the calculation, final calculation, it will give minus 35 over 9 x power 13, because 7 minus 3 is 4 plus x power 9 is x power 30 is the first of the middle term. Then second of the middle term is T5, which is equal T4 plus 1 equal 7C4, then 3x 7 minus 4 into minus x cube by 9 power 4. After calculation, we'll get this 7 minus 4 is 3 and x cube power 4 is 12, and 12 plus 3 is 15. So we get the final answer 35 over 243 of x power 15. Here there are two middle terms are there. First middle term is minus 35 over 9 into x power 13. The second middle term is 35 over 243 into x power 15. Let us do one more problem. Find the middle term of the expansion of 5x minus 3y over 6. Here n is even, n is here n equal to n equals 6, which is even. Therefore there is only one middle term, that is the middle term equal n plus 2 plus 1th term, which is n is 6 by 2 plus 1th term equal 6 by 2 is 3, that is 4th term. Now we will calculate 4th term, that is T4 equal T3 plus 1 equal the first term here C, which is power is 6C3. The first is 5x power 6 minus 3, and the second is minus 3y power 3. Here the final result is 6C3. will calculate first. C3 equal 20 into 5x power 3 into minus 3y power 3. Here 5 power 3 is 125, that is 2. 20 into 125 x power 3 into 3 cube is put minus in front, 3 cube is 27 y cube. So we get, let us find the value of these things. 20 multiplied by 125 multiplied by 27, which gives 67 minus 67,500 x cube y cube. This is the middle term. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.